Over the years, the magic of Star Wars has always lived on screen and in our imaginations. But thanks to our advancements in technology, we've made it possible to bring a new part of Star Wars The Force Awakens into your home. This video will show you how to get started with BB-8 and explore all the amazing things your new droid can do. When you unbox BB-8, follow the quick start guide's instructions to get up and running. Begin by plugging in the charging base, then set BB-8 on a flat surface to make it easy for the magnetic head to snap on. Next, place BB-8 on his base, download the BB-8 app to your device, and follow the prompts to connect to your new droid. Try starting with drive. The first thing you need to know is how to set BB-8's orientation. This basically lets him know what direction forward is in relationship to you. Press and hold down on the droid image and slowly drag to either side. BB-8 will then turn in place. Keep rotating him until the blue taillight is facing you. Now, BB-8 is ready to go when you use the drive pad. The farther out on the pad you go, the faster BB-8 will roll. If you're driving on a hard surface like wood and want a bit more control, try turning the speed down. For softer floors like carpet though, BB-8 works best at max speed, and you can use the boost icon to help him get going. BB-8 also likes to show off his personality. Tap the icon next to the main droid and you'll see a few different expressions he can perform. When you're in drive mode, you can activate voice commands. First, turn on voice recognition by going into settings and completing the quick tutorial. Now, you can get BB-8's attention by saying, "Okay BB-8." When a new listening screen pops up on your device, you can say your command like, "It's a trap." No droid is complete without holographic messaging. First, we have to record our message. BB-8 may ask you to use your microphone and camera, so be sure to press yes. Tap the video icon and you'll see a droid outline in the center of your screen. Use that as a guide to center your subject. Tap the red record icon to start recording, and you'll have up to 12 seconds to create your message. Once your message is recorded, press back to see your message library. Select the one that you wish to send to BB-8, center him in your screen, and the message will be projected. Patrol mode lets BB-8 go off on his own, while you keep track of his progress. If BB-8 encounters an obstacle, he will log the data and try to figure out a way around. Tap on the survey screen to see other cool operations running inside BB-8. Once you're done letting him explore, or want to start a new mission, just tap stop. Some other cool features about BB-8 is that he's water resistant, can run for about 1 hour off a 3-hour charge, and uses Bluetooth LE to connect to your device with a 100-foot range. There's a lot of big things planned for BB-8's future, and we're constantly updating his capabilities, so get out there and start exploring the galaxy with your trusty new astromech droid by your side. And remember, it's BB-8, the app-enabled droid built by Sphero.